Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Binary Handler, and today I'm going to do some trades. You can see I have around 3,200 something balance. So I will take $1,000 trade. All right, so let's see. So this is volatility 75 index. I can see the trend is uptrend. You can see this is an uptrend, and if this candle close as a red candle, this current running candle, then I can place my trade higher option. Yes, wait, and I will explain you. Yes, let me trade. Okay. So I placed here higher option trade. Now let me explain you each and everything so you will understand it. All right. So first of all, you can see the sellers are here, right? Sellers are here. Sellers entering from dead zone, and this is the buyer zone. So currently market is more than in the buyer zone. And the other thing, after one red candle, I can see the green candle. After one red candle, I can see the green candles. So that's why I placed here high option, and you see, boom, it's going aggressively in the upside. So we won this trade, I think. Yes. So you can see this is the first trade, and now our balance is around $4,145. All right, so you can place your trades like this. You can place your trades like this. I will do one more trade. Okay, only place your trades when you have confidence, when you have some reasons why you are trading. So this is the zone actually. This is the dynamic zone actually. So let me check if I have any opportunity. If you are new my channel, please subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon, and don't forget to join my free Telegram channel. I share my live trade updates, my withdrawals updates, each and everything. So, and you can create your derivative account with my link. It If you create your derivative account with my link and make some deposit, I'm going to definitely help you more. Okay. So I think there is an opportunity, but we have sellers zone from here, and let's see if this candle close as a red candle. I can go with sellers because the actual sellers are here. Actual sellers are here. So that's why I placed here a higher option, right? I placed here a higher option. Now let me explain you. So the reason of placing higher option, because the actual sellers zone is here. So currently market is far from this zone, and the trend is uptrend. And one more thing, market is making higher high like this. So again, it can create higher high according to my analysis. See, because there was gap, every time when there is a gap like this, so market has to fill this gap, then it will only reverse back, right? So I think this is also a winning trade. Great. So you can see with 2 trades I make around $2,000 because I was on 3,000, now I'm up 5,000. So if you really want to learn binary trading and if you want to make money like this in any binary platform that you think is good, you can learn from me. Thank you.